Welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to try and film another video talking about some of my favorite beauty products. I'm going to start out with my primers. Lately I've been loving this Revolution Pro, um, I don't even know what it's called. And I can't even see it because I've used it so much that it's completely worn off. But I think it's the Revolution Pro Blur Stick. Um, It's a twist cap, by the way. Don't try and pull it off. I do it every time. But I've used it so much. And this really works well on my nose pores. For whatever reason, like the pores on my nose are out of control. Like they are so deep. They're so big. Um, it's just really, really hard for me to find anything that really works well with them. But this has been a lifesaver. So I use this on my forehead, on my nose, a little bit on my cheeks where I have some slightly bigger pores. And then I've been going in with this, the NYX Plump Right Back primer for the rest of my face. It just gives it a nice, fresh, plump look, and it's playing well with all the makeup that I've been wearing, so I have no complaints about that. Then I have two foundations that I want to talk about. The first one is the Uoma Sharon C. It's the Flawless IRL foundation. This just looks beautiful on the skin. You can get it at Walmart. I think it's about $14.99, so it's affordable. Most of the products I talk about are affordable drugstore products. And it's just got a nice natural finish. It is slightly dewy, but we're approaching the warmer months where I live. I live in the Midwest, and once it starts getting warmer, my oils come out to play and can be a bit ridiculous. I do always have to set any foundation that I wear with a powder, no matter what I do. My skin's just difficult, so I do set it with a powder, but it just looks beautiful on the face. It is long wearing. All my foundations, all my makeup, I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, do my hair, do makeup, and my makeup is on for close to 14, 15 hours every day, sometimes longer depending on what I have going on, and this wears beautifully, is long lasting. I love it. And the next foundation is the Revolution IRL Filter Foundation. This is very similar to the Uoma by Sharon C. for me. This one is a bit of a more matte finish, but as far as the long wearing, looks beautiful on the skin. I think it's maybe $11 or $12. I don't know how much. I don't remember how much it was when I got it, but this also looks beautiful, lasts all day long, and I have no complaints about this. For my setting spray, I love this Milani Make It Last original setting spray. They do have a dewy finish as well, but the original is what I wear. It helps my makeup last all day. Just helps everything melt into the skin, and it's the best setting spray that I have found. For concealer, I just started using this NYX Bare With Me Concealer Serum. It does look really beautiful on the eyes, under the eyes. This is something that went viral on TikTok, and I do have to say it is worth every penny. I think it's around $11 or $12. I got this from Ulta. Looks amazing on the under eyes. I do have some fine lines, but I'm getting older. It's just going to happen, but this looks amazing. I highly recommend it if you haven't tried it yet. Next, I want to talk about mascara. My two favorite mascaras. I do have a blog, and on all of my beauty posts, I talk about my favorite products. You will still see me talk about this Lash Princess mascara and this Maybelline Sky High mascara. I layer these. They look amazing together. If you've not tried them, you have to. I do have long lashes naturally, but these two mascaras just make them look amazing, and I always get compliments about my eyes and my lashes, and I know it's because of these two mascaras. So this is actually the second part of the video that I just filmed. I did not have my viewfinder pulled up, and I just realized that I wasn't really holding the products up high enough, so if you had trouble seeing them, I am so sorry. I have my viewfinder pulled out now so I can somewhat see what I'm doing, so hopefully that will help for the rest of this video. I was talking about mascaras, and the latest mascara that I'm trying, this is the Milani highly rated anti-gravity mascara. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not. This is something else that has gone viral on TikTok. I've tried it a couple times. It's okay. I still prefer the Maybelline Sky High and my Essence Lash Princess, but this one, it's not bad. I think I just need to try it a little bit more today. I did use this highly rated anti-gravity mascara paired with the Maybelline Sky High, and I was able to get a good looking lash effect with the two of them. So I think this would be something good to layer. I always layer my mascaras. I don't know why. I just think they get the best effect if I use two mascaras. And I think tomorrow I'm going to try and layer this with the Essence Lash Princess and see what kind of a result I get from that. Next, I want to talk about blushes. I have really been into blush lately. I love just a really good blush. I know some people like to wear it where you can barely see it, but me, the more the better. I love it. I can't help it. And I've really been enjoying these Flower Beauty Gel Crush blushes. I hope that you guys can see that. My viewfinder is small and far away, so hopefully you can see it. This is the shade Citrus Crush. And again, I'm not sure how well you can see that. But this is a tangerine shade, which is beautiful and perfect for spring and the warm weather that's coming up. This one is Strawberry Crush. It's just a beautiful pale pink shade that is just good for a beautiful any day look. And then I also have Blackberry Crush, which is what I am wearing today. You can see that. Just a beautiful purple mauve shade that would also look awesome in the fall. And next I want to talk about lipsticks. I mentioned these in my last video. These are the Juvia's Place matte, just the bullet lipsticks. This is the shade that I'm wearing today. It is Freak. You can see that. Just a gorgeous deep red shade. I love really colorful lipsticks as well, as you will get to see as I go along with these videos. And I'm so sorry. You can hear my phone going off. I don't know what's happening, but it's like going bonkers right now. The next shade that I have is So Red. And the top's kind of correspond with the color on the inside. Hopefully you can see that. This is just like your beautiful traditional just bluish red shade. Then I have this deep berry shade. It is in Oh Damn. I love this one. I mean, it's like a perfect shade for fall, but I would wear it at any time. I don't really have rules with when I wear certain makeup and things like that. If I like it, I'll wear it when I want to wear it. The next shade is Chic. And this is just a beautiful, just pinkish nude. And the last shade is Kevi, which is a darker mauve shade. And next, I just want to talk about this Revolution Pro Eternal Rose Highlighter. It is stunning. You guys can see it right there. Just a beautiful shimmery pink shade. It's just the perfect highlight for my skin tone. I'm very fair, so this is one that actually works for me, and I love the way it looks. I do have that on today as well. And next, I'm going to go talk about some eyeshadows. These are the Beauty Bay shadows that just came out. I have the Berries palette on my eyes today. And here's what it looks like. Just beautiful pink berry tones. It's absolutely stunning. Next, I have the Midnight palette, which this is the one with the blues and purples. I just cannot get enough of these palettes. The formulas are fantastic and the shades are gorgeous. It's very pigmented. I haven't had any issues with any of the shades, and I highly recommend picking these up. They are very affordable. The only thing is with Beauty Bay, their shipping seems to take forever. Like, I think it took maybe 3-ish weeks for my orders to get to me. So that's just one huge downfall. I'm not sure how their shipping is to other places in the world, but if you live in the US, expect it to take a couple weeks. The last palette is the Earthy palette. This is your green tones. It does have some goldy tones in there, some red shades. Just a beautiful, beautiful palette. All three of them are phenomenal. So those are just some of my favorite makeup products that I'm loving right now. Do you have any recommendations? Anything that I should try? I try to keep everything drugstore and affordable. So if you have any products that you love or that you want to recommend, please recommend them down below. Like and subscribe. That would help me out a huge amount. And I just thank you all so much for watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are.